What's up, guys? My name is Donnie Nguyen, and welcome to ChefQ's channel.
On ChefQ's channel, we focus on travel, food, and entertainment. So if you like to travel, hungry for food, and love to be entertained, consider subscribing to our channel. And make sure to press that bell button. Be one of the first to watch our weekly content.
We are here in San Diego. That's where I live. Because of COVID, we can't really travel anywhere, so we're gonna start ChefQ's channel here in San Diego to all the places. Of course, all the tourist places and the locals. ChefQ is the one that's gonna be taking you guys to eat at local places. Me, I'll be taking you where the popular tourist places, or places that tourists should see in San Diego and what San Diego has to offer. And if we do go any other places, of course, I'll be introducing you guys. Well, see, we are in Coronado right now, San Diego. This is where the island Coronado. This is where all the rich people live. See all these houses? Huge. So these are the houses, and on this side is the beach. How cool is that? Oh, I forgot to mention about ChefQ. Let me introduce you to ChefQ. Well, actually, he's gonna introduce himself. Take a look.
Hello everyone, my name is Quốc Nguyễn. I cook on YouTube. You cook at home. If taste no good, no my fault, okay? You know right bad review. Thank you very much.
Oh, I hope you understood ChefQ. I'll be sure to put subtitles on the bottom for everybody to understand. But here on ChefQ's channel, we try to entertain you along with the travel and food recipe. And also ChefQ, he's going to be the one that's going to show you all the recipe and how to cook stuff, all the dishes, or cook all the featured food that we're going to be showing. So it's not only a travel vlog, a food vlog, but also a recipe channel. So make sure to subscribe. Well, hopefully when COVID is over, for sure we're going to have to go somewhere else besides San Diego. Right now, we'll focus on San Diego.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Full speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
We are back. We are here in La Jolla. We are here at Himitsu Sushi. It's pretty cool because they have a sushi bar inside. But since it's COVID, everybody has to eat outside, right? But their tables are already pretty much outside. It's kind of like a patio. So I ordered a few things. We got sashimi rolls, a bento, and a few appetizers. We got the chichito peppers, which comes with They're Japanese peppers roasted. And then we got the bonito flakes, some sweet, like a sweet ponzu sauce on top. And then shigoku oysters. These are really good oysters. They're a little bit tiny, but we got these like jelly-like stuff, which when you taste that. And then we got the tobiko fish eggs. The yellow ones are yuzu. Tastes is jelly. It's like a ponzu. Like ponzu jelly. I'm gonna eat that pepper first. These peppers are actually not spicy. Kind of like edamame, but they're not spicy at all. It's good. It's different. And then I'm gonna try this. It says ponzu sauce on it. Really deep shell oysters. Those are really good oysters. They're small, expensive, very refreshing. And then we got the matsu roll, which is spiced tuna inside, avocado, and then salmon. Got some pepper and ponzu sauce. Oh, you know what I forgot? They give these little soy sauce. Very fresh. Matsu roll. And then we got some nigiri and sashimi coming too. Alright, so we got our Himitsu sashimi plate. It's like an omakase sashimi plate, so whatever up to the chef. Let's see, going around from here. So we got this salmon belly. Uni. This look like California uni or San Diego, or was it anyway, local uni. Ikura on top of the uni. This is like a Japanese sardine with ginger and green onions. Ama ebi, sweet spot shrimp. This is bluefin. This is chutoro, supposedly. Chutoro. This is amberjack belly. Amberjack is like a smaller yellowtail, which is the belly part. And this is angawa, which is halibut, but it's the fin. It's on the side, on the edge of the halibut. It's seared a little bit. And that's the head of the shrimp. It was still moving over here. Anyways. That's right. All this look very fresh. I know from experience because I am a sushi chef for a long ass time. So, well, let's dig in. What I'm gonna do first? Try the angawa first. Get some wasabi. These wasabi are not really fresh grated wasabi, even though they taste fresh grated. But I think they're 30% fresh grated. They sell it in like a little pouch. Tastes a lot better than the powder one, which is good. The angawa has like a springy, chewy texture, but it's very fatty. Like the more you chew on it, the more you can taste like the fatty sweetness of like a halibut. But yeah, none of this is fishy at all. Well, I can't really tell you what each one tastes like. It's gonna be a long video. But I can tell you this. Very fresh. If you love sashimi, all of this is fresh fish. None of them is frozen fish. A lot of what's out the other sushi restaurant, a lot of the fishes are frozen. Like the tuna and stuff are like dyed red. So this is a natural red, you can tell. So that I can tell you.
Without regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you.
We also got the Himitsu, what is it, Chef Special Omakase, which comes with 10 pieces of nigiri. Let's see, go on here. You got the golden eye red snapper. We got the seared otoro, which is the bluefin belly, and they seared it. I think there's a like a daikon thing on top, the pickled daikon, and green onions. This is Japanese sardine. And going over here, this is saba, which is like a pickled Japanese mackerel, like a yeah. And then on top is a like a kelp, a sea kelp. This is zuke, which is like a soy marinated bluefin tuna. This is sea bream, Japanese sea bream, which is seared, and there's a little bit of I think salt flakes on top. This is aji, which is Japanese, another mackerel, Japanese aji. This is albacore, and I think they said this is their house-made, like some more pickle stuff. Like, I don't know when I eat it. This is amberjack belly, which is the yellowtail belly. Amberjack is the texture is more firm than the yellowtail. Yellowtail is just a grown amberjack. And this is ika, which is with, I think there's like a plum dressing on top. Let's see. Traditionally, all the chefs put wasabi on the bottom, but here in America, they put it on the side for us. Another thing that I look at when I go eat sushi is their rice. And this rice, I think the rice that they use on the roll is different than the omakase rice. This one is a little bit more brown. So they use different rice for nigiri. Rolls is different. And when you eat this, remember, put it on the side, dip the fish sauce in the soy sauce, and eat. Last piece. Oh. To finish it all off, I got asahi. No sake today, it's kind of early. Maybe. Maybe not. Cheers.
My heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna